Oh shit, you like it?
Film it.
What I'm gonna do is.
Oh my God!
Hello, welcome to Piggy Kitchen. Today we're making this delicious pasta dish, La Puttanesca. But first, I just bought those pearl grape. They're so pretty.
You're welcome. Touch. Oh my god.
I saw this recipe on TikTok. They use fruit to make natural organic candy. As you see, it's very simple. Spread all the grapes on the baking sheet and sprinkle the amount of sugar you like. Wrap the baking sheet into this dumpling shape and place in the freezer for overnight. Well, we'll try to make the process interesting. Back to the pasta. We start mince some garlic. Slice some jalapeños and this super spicy Thai chili to add some flavor. Grab a handful of tomatoes. Oops, we'll try to figure out the best angle to shoot, not this one for sure. Slice the tomato half and get rid of the tip. Add 4 or 5 olives, also slice them up. Now it's time to cook the pasta. Always to remember sprinkle some salt before putting into the pasta. We're gonna have another pan ready for the sauce. Saute the garlic and the chili. The key ingredient to enhance the taste is the anchovy. Saute with the spices. You will smell the fishiness in the kitchen, which my boyfriend hates so much. I wonder why. The anchovy literally melted in the pan. The smell is so aromatic. Smash those potatoes into the pan. Wow, the sauce is saucy. Let's cook the pasta. I never had this pasta before. It is hollow inside. I guess designed to get more sauce on the pasta. Chop some parsley for decoration. Let's save for later. When the tomato is cooked and mushy, it's time to add spice into it. First is the jalapeno and then the olives. Stir them up. Add a cup of pasta water if it is needed. Sprinkle some salt and cue the music, the drum roll. We're almost there. Add some pasta water if the sauce starts dries out. Give a little bit taste to see if it needs more salt. And add the chopped parsley and pepper. Open the wine because it's time to serve. This pasta is 10 out of 100. It is creamy, spicy, and easy to make. I feel like spaghetti would be a better match, but definitely give it a try.
And then I will say this is what good and then one more. Ready?
I was filming the whole time. That would have been such a nice shot.
If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. Bye!